Mommy.
Don't do much of me, please.
Why not?
Because I'm not, I just bolted.
Adam.
I bolted out of the house.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi, Mom.
Yeah, get some.
Hi, Mom.
Double sniffing.
No, that's what you say when you're the camera.
Get some of the dogs so we can send them to Kathleen.
Bubbles. Look at the camera.
Bubbles! Bubs!
You're on candid camera.
Bubbles sniffing. Okay, honey.
This is Dancel. He's a big dork. There goes Bubbles.
Well, honey, Kathleen's going to want his front end, obviously.
There goes Adam. Here they come. That was a wood duck?
There's Adam and Bubbles at McLane.
Hi.
There's Kirsten too. There's Bubbles sniffing. Mom's here too on Mother's Day. There goes Bubbles. And Adam.
He jumped over.
I need to do a burglar bar.
There's a bear in the woods.
Say hi to the camera, Bubbles.
We'll stop and let you walk ahead.
Bubbles, stop. Bubbles. They're coming down. Here we go. Coming. Here comes Bubs. Hi, Bubs. Tiny bear. You guys, when Adam knew to be saying, I wonder if there's any bears on this trail.
I wonder if there's any bears on this trail.
Watch out for bears, Bubs. This is a bear hound.
I wonder if there's any Bigfoots in this forest. Bum, 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 bum. You're crazy. What's the matter with you? Oh no, it's Bigfoot! Retreat!
No, run with the video camera. Adam. Okay, let's put the camera away now.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, sweetie.